Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll actually show you how you can make money on Bybit without a single investment. One thing you must do is this: make sure you just have some available idle USDT on your wallet. Just save some money in your wallet, but you're not going to invest on anything and it's not going to earn you a rational reward. Before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do what to subscribe to this channel, like these videos, share these videos so that a lot of people can gain value from it. And the moment you see this, you need to start now before ending of this year, that is before end of December. Okay, so that by the end of December, all reward will be disbursed, will be distributed, and you get yours in your own wallet. Now let's dive into it. All you just need to do is this: when you navigate yourself to your Bybit, go straight up right hand side, up left hand side, right? Go straight up here. So if you come to this place, you're going to click on this place. Alright, the moment you click on this place, the next thing you just need to do is to navigate yourself to this reward hub. Going into the reward hub, let's check in. Okay, a site special for you to open. Now you come to this place and see, you can see this place. Look at this, my tags and events. You're going to follow those events carefully in order for you to earn a lot of reward for yourself. Okay, so all you just need to do is to come to this place, to click on this and see what exactly you were told to do there. Click on it. So each time you click on it and it's open, the next thing you just need to do is to click on accept. Now you see what you just need to do here. What you just need to do here is to convert 1,000 naira or 1,000 USDT or more. You cannot do it once, so you can be doing it part by part, maybe 200, 300 today, 500 today, and lots more. You'll be qualified for it. Now see, you say complete the task below and earn reward. This reward will be automatically credited once you complete the task. Okay, now all you just need to do is to come to this place, to click on join. What did I exactly want you to do? Look at here, only convert from crypto to crypto will be counted. Okay, convert from one particular crypto to another crypto. That's just all you just need to do. Click on this place to click on join in order for you to begin this activity. The moment you begin this activity, you can see it's asking you to convert the USDT to BTC or to any crypto coin of your choice. Okay, or to any crypto coin of your choice. Now you look at those places carefully. Keep looking at them. You'll see a lot of things also that you are asked to do here, and you keep doing and you keep making your profit. Now you have seen the first one. Now the second one says convert up to 5,000. You can see convert 5,000 USDT or more. All you just need to do, convert from one particular coin to another particular coin. Look at this place now. This one is high. It's saying you should convert to 15,000 USDT. Convert from one coin to another coin. That is just simply what you just need to be doing. All you just need to do is to just have some little USDT on your wallet, or you have a high USDT on your wallet, and just keep continuing doing this activity. Now coming down to this place to see, you can see it's the same thing. Say only convert crypto to crypto will be counted. You can see, and the estimated left time is 27 days right now before these activities will be over. Now let's go back there again to see. You can see there are a lot of them here whereby you can keep doing. Complete your first Bybit alpha trade. You can see, so you should complete your first Bybit alpha trade. This one you just complete a trade, and this one also ends in what? In 27 days. All you just need to do is to complete your alpha trade. What is this alpha we're talking about? I will show it to you. Click on accept and also try to trade alpha. Now I'm going to click on trade now. Clicking on this trade now will navigate me straight to this alpha trade. And when I come to this alpha, all I just need to do is to click on buy. After buying, I wait when I make profit and also sell. You can as well buy and sell immediately. You have completed this particular task. Okay, so now if you don't follow this place, this is where actually you can find this alpha trade. Let me show it to you. I'll show you where exactly you can find this alpha trade. So this is where you can find the alpha trade. Navigate yourself to Bybit. You can see the alpha coin catching fire. Trade any coin here, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next class. Bye.